Monica is sharing more with us on what the record-breaking storm, a so-called atmospheric river, means for the state.
It means this right here. We can get almost a year worth of rain in one day, at least when you have a drought year like last year. Yesterday, we saw 5.41 inches of rain. We talked about that being a record setter. Last year, for the entire water year, we had 6.61 inches of rain. So it just kind of shows you how big these atmospheric rivers can bring the dangerous flooding, but without them, we can head into drought. Improving forecasts of these huge storms is a focus for the Center for Western Weather and Water Extremes to keep water flowing in California.
I happened to live in LA in the 80s, and it was one year where we got half of I had a rain gauge, nerdy scientist guy, and we got half of the rainfall for the whole year in 12 hours. And I'm like, I want to study those kind of storms.
Marty Ralph, director of the Center for Western Weather and Water Extremes, or CW3E, says researchers at the center now realize it's not just the strength of atmospheric rivers, but how long they stay over one place.
We learned that the duration of the atmospheric river over a given location is really important in determining how much rain is going to fall or snow,
potentially delivering dangerous flooding. Ralph says one of the keys to get ahead of these hazardous conditions is bringing together research and forecasting in one center.
Because when you try to make a forecast and it doesn't work so well, you learn a lot.
With improved forecasting comes the ability to use and store our water more efficiently through new programs like Forecast Informed Reservoir Operations, or FIRO. Tested at Lake Mendocino, it proved successful in both wet and dry years.
And in the drought year, they ended up with 20% more water in the reservoir than they would have had, enough for tens of thousands of households for a year.
That program now expanding to other reservoirs like Oroville and New Bullards Bar.
We're looking for win-win-win situations for supply, for flood, and for environment.